A tornado safe room designed to FEMA recommendations will provide near absolute protection. Near absolute protection means that FEMA is fairly confident that the design level used for that safe room and our recommendations for the construction of that safe room should pretty much eliminate any fatalities associated with a tornado and would eliminate most injuries associated with that tornado as well.
One experienced in construction who can read blueprints should be able to construct an above-ground storm shelter as per FEMA 320.
It's an outline to say this is what you need to do for residential shelters.
FEMA Publication 320 has several plans using a variety of construction materials for safe rooms, such as concrete, insulating concrete forms, wood framing, all of these of which can be constructed within a home either as part of new construction or perhaps as an addition to an existing home.
And when the structural engineer shows this much rebar in the wall, they're also looking to see that there's that much rebar in the wall. So, but it is that, they're involved, the special inspector, the contractor, and even the owners through this whole process. It is really a team process to make sure that in the end that this shelter is going to do what it needs to do.
All the connections in your safe room must be strong enough to resist the wind forces that are acting against that safe room. The wind's going to want to tear apart that safe room, and so any connections from the ceiling to the wall down to the floor slab or foundation, all of those have to be strong enough to withstand that wind pressure. The walls and ceiling of your safe room need to be independent from the walls and ceilings within your home. This way, when the wind tears apart your house, your safe room remains intact and unaffected by these forces that would be acting on the safe room. A key component of a safe room in your home is the door. This needs to be a specially designed and constructed door to resist the potential impact from debris that would hit upon your safe room. FEMA recommends that this door have at least 6 points of connection, so that would be 3 hinges and 3 latches, so that door is securely fastened to the walls of that safe room. This door is also constructed of heavy gauge sheet metal, and again, so that as the debris hits that door, it will not penetrate into the safe room and therefore causing injuries to the occupants of the safe room. Near absolute protection means that based on our current knowledge of severe wind events, which would include hurricanes and tornadoes, that a safe room designed to FEMA's recommendations would prevent death or injuries from occurring to the occupants of the safe room.